from the branches so tall. With a lazy smile, it moves with a crawl. It moves with a rhythm, slow and so fine. It's a sloth slow dance, come join the line. The sloth hangs from the branches so tall. With a lazy smile, it moves with a crawl. One arm, then the other, so slow and smooth. It's the sloth slow dance, let's all groove. Slow, slow, sway with the sloth, hang from the trees and move so soft. Slow, 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 take it slow. The sloth slow dance is the way to go. Big eyes so wide and bright. The sloth moves slowly, it's such a sight. It spins in circles, then takes a rest. The sloth slow dance is truly the best. Whoa. Slow, slow, sway with the sloth, hang from the trees and move so soft. Slow, 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 take it slow. The sloth slow dance is the way to go. Where the sloth's dance is so peaceful and kind. It's the slowest dance you'll ever find. The birds are singing, the leaves are swaying, the jungle is calm, no rush to dance. Oh! Slow, 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 it's time to rest. The sloth slow dance is truly the best. When the day is done and the stars are bright, we'll dance with the sloth under the moon.